Hey guys, we received this WORKPRO 8 inches wire stripper or the wire crimping tool for test and try. This is a wire stripper tool for 10 to 22 AWG, wire cutter, wire crimper or the cable stripper. So this comes in a really nice box and let me just open up. This is the manual and stuff. This is the main gripper. So this is a really handy tool, multifunctional with a titanium coat. So it's easy to use. You can see it here. Everything is marked. You can see closely. So the top portion is for a conduit reamer or the wire stripper 10 to 22 AWG, and in between is a two hole for the wire loop holes, and also the thread screw shear 6 sizes. So you have a insulated and non-insulated crimping in the bottom and the titanium coating on the top with a non-slip and comfortable grip. So it's very nice tool which can strip easily 22 to 10 gauge solid and standard wires, and crimping is also there. So here you can see the quality and the thickness and how this thing works. So